We got a good courtroom. Have you been, obviously, you had third circuit, I went there yesterday, or?
Oh, the new one, CS, yeah.
Permission to enter the Queen's
Like,
Palace.
bad, but
All right. 34th District Court now in session. Honorable Judge Brian Oakley presiding.
Good morning, have a seat. Which one's your broken?
The balcony is that one.
Mr. Dabrowski, your appearance for Al Jaheshi?
yes,
How do you say it? Close?
yes. Your Honor, he's not here yet. He's supposed to be.
Okay, good morning.
Tickets that are in default. You ask the court to set them aside.
I don't have those.
Yeah, I have the file because he wouldn't give me the file, but I have the case numbers and all that. It's the one.
Got that. You
Yeah.
Did your client here with you?
I'm sorry?
Is your client here with you?
Yes,
Okay, yeah, I'll grab you guys a notice in just a minute.
very well. Thank you.
Mr. Beck, counsel,
Peter.
where have you been? I haven't seen you in seems like decades.
5 years.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing very well. Doing very well.
That's good. It's been a while. Well, I've been locked up with COVID and all that BS, so.
It's a strange new world.
Huh?
Strange new world.
Oh, man, it's hard to get used to it. Although I tell you, it's nice because you don't have to go court to court,
Yeah.
You jump in the office and then
You can actually get
one
some business.
computer to the next computer.
It's good to see.
Good seeing you.
Hope I see you again before 5 years go by. All right, so the two that are in default were from the same incident date, I'm assuming?
There's three actually, but here's the numbers and or here's what they are, if you don't.
I need a dog.
Okay, yes.
Meeting, no.
PC. Yeah,
You got the ROA on it?
I can give you.
It does look like they're all out of the same. Here's the.
Well, why should I set the defaults aside? He wasn't smart enough to hire you early.
The rep, Your Honor.
It's all good, but
Three.
Well, this would be the same on all of them.
Yeah.
See the 12C and the 12D, we're going to both set those aside, but I'd ask that they set aside the first one, which is 25 BPO.
That's the one that's really hurting him. I'll tell you what, I'll set that one aside, but he didn't show up for a hearing. It's not like he just didn't know what he was supposed to do. We gave him a notice and he didn't show up. So you can tell him the only reason he's getting one set aside is because my experience with you and I'm giving you a bump.
Thank you, Your Honor.
He hired the right attorney, he just didn't hire him timely enough. All right, so why don't you go back and talk to the prosecutor about that one, see if you can do some kind of global resolution on those two files? Yeah.
Brian Hightower.
Good morning, Mr. Jones, your appearance from this high tower.
Dr. John, P5292 good morning to you and your incredible staff, including the Broncos.
You don't even live here.
I used to.
Don't underestimate the art.
I never do. Go ahead.
Your Honor, to tell you that, the stage within Reno was so kind enough to give my, client with no criminal history the opportunity to keep this off the record. The reason we're pleading no contest, as you know, is we're under heavy pressure by some mean lawyers on the East Coast for civil liability.
Yeah. All right, Ms. Hightower, did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes.
You understand those rights and the options presented? You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? And you understand that when you say no contest, you're literally saying, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge. You understand that? And if I could find a factual basis that supports your plea, then there'll be a sentencing. You understand that?
Yeah.
And based on what I see on paper, the sentencing will be a delayed sentence. All right. In understanding all of this, are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
All right. Counsel, I think there's enough facts in the remarks section of the appearance ticket.
I would stipulate to the same.
All right, I'll accept the plea. What should I know about the nice lady before I set the terms?
She was very nervous today, and teasing her, as you can see. She, I tell her she's only 24 years old, she's retired from the auto industry, never been in trouble in her life. She's self-humiliated to no end.
All right, Smith Hightower, I've been doing this a long time. When I see some 20-year-old kid in front of me that's got a retail fraud, I don't have the same concerns I do when I see somebody your age. This was not normal behavior for you. There was something going on in your life. What was going on? Are you past it? I mean, you were stressed. You were dealing with some stressors back on August 11th, right? Have you talked about it, Mr. Jones?
We have talked about.
Are you satisfied that she's got whatever help she needs?
Yeah, sometimes you have to get the people to just accept people feel with it instead of, ignoring it.
Yeah. Yeah.
We've talked before, focus on strategy.
Right. But she's on it. She's got a plan. Okay. All right.
This is not what she wants to be associated with.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure it's not.
Especially with grandchildren.
Yeah. Oh, that's a tough conversation, isn't it? Yeah. All right. Anything you want me to tell or anything you want to tell me before I sentence you? Oh, I got that. I can tell by looking at it, this ain't who she is. Yeah.
I gotta tell you, she's literally the most self-humiliating person I know.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, give yourself some grace too. I mean, whatever was going on in August, just make sure you're dealing with it appropriately. All right. Okay. I'm a big fan of counseling, huge fan of counseling. You know how much better the world would be if every adult had the time and money to sit down with a trained, objective listener once every 2 weeks for 50 minutes?
Should I go quick talking about those two types of people in the world? Because people who need help, they're people who get.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's really true. That's really, because we're all broken. All right. Anything else? All right. Well, here's what we're going to do. You can keep your nose clean for another 6 months, right? Okay. So I'll delay sentence for that time period. I'm going to assess court costs of $300. Can you pay it today? Go down and see my cashier. She'll smile when she takes your money and then go away and sin no more forever. Have a nice day. Always a pleasure, Mr. Jones. Are you ready, Mr. Beck? Are you ready?
Is it just an adjournment, Judge?
Oh, all right. Stay seated. She's just doing the paperwork. Love the shirt. Give me a name. Again?
Okay. Just
Oh, don't have it.
I have.
How about you?
He's a Spanish interpreter.
Yep.
Wait for the.
So we're not ready on his? All right. Does anybody have anything ready?
No attorneys.
Dion Harper the second. Mr. Harper, are you going forward today without an attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor. Says here that you're going to plead guilty to added charge, no valid operator's license on person, and the prosecutor wants me to dismiss drove while license suspended and a registration or plate misdemeanor, both from January 1822. Is that your deal? Did you read your rights form?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Understand the options given to you by those rights?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle on that date in or near Wayne Metro Airport?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Years ago, like you can see.
All right, well, here's the problem I've got. I've got to know that your license was suspended, revoked, or denied at the time. Well, let me put it this way. On January 1822, did you have a valid license to show the officer that stopped you? That'll work. All right, what's the status of your license now? You're back on the road legally. Bless you. Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
I work as a home office, do.
Online casino dealer. That's the first for me. How do you do that?
You pull up the license studio, and you just in front of the camera.
So like you're sitting on like a Zoom meeting type deal?
Yes.
Oh, interesting. All right, well, you're the first one of those guys I've met. How long you been doing that?
about a year now, since last September.
All right, and where you been since 2022? Just laying low?
This time, Rick,
Yeah. But you got all your license stuff straightened out.
Yeah.
All right, anything else you want me to know before I sentence you?
So I did kind of want to give some context to the situation. I was at work, working at the airport.
Who were you working for?
The FSM, the fueling.
Yep.
So, before work, I was going in and it was a parking spot that I was kind of waiting for. I didn't end up getting it, so I did another one, and when I'm going into work, I see the guy that was parking the parking spot, and I'm making gesture to him. So, again, I go into it. So anyway, I get off of work and my tire is flat. I'm like, here for security, for help, some type of investigation.
Right.
Some type of help. And this is where I'm at. This is where calling for help has brought me.
No, driving your car when you didn't have a license is what brought you here.
I mean, at a particular, I was just trying to ask.
Had you not driven your car there, you wouldn't have the ticket. Yeah.
That's-
All right. Anything else? Okay. All right, fines and costs for you, $600, and I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. We schedule a work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you're going to work, and then those days you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you pay the 600 today, or do you need to talk about options? Go downstairs, sign up for the work program, and talk about your options for payment. All set. Is it Zadeja White? One of these attorneys ready after.
Good morning, John.
Good morning. Okay.
I thought you had by yourself.
You have to educate him about that. All right, Miss White, did you discuss your rights with Mr. Gassiati? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for allowing an unlicensed driver to operate? There better be another file somewhere. Oh, there it is. And understanding that possible penalty and the rights you have, are you in fact pleading guilty to that added charge today? Freely and voluntarily? Yes? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on July 7, 2005, while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel satisfied? All right, it looks like the prosecutors agreed to dismiss all 3 of the original charges. And what should I know about Miss White before I sentence her on the added charge?
A car, a coffee shop right now, and, raised past the 2 officers per daily, but. Shocked like many people and,
All right, what's the status of your license now? Still suspended? You got it back. Good for you. Good for you. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you, Miss White? Nothing you have to tell me. I'm just giving you a chance if there's something you want to share. No magic answer.
Mr. Back.
All right, Miss White, fines and costs on your file, $500, and I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program. Work program was assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you work. Can you pay the $500 today, or do you need to talk about options? Go downstairs and talk about all that. Good luck. Jeffrey Swain? Good morning, Mr. Swain. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right. Paperwork says that you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate. Is that correct? You understand the possible penalty for that charge? Did you read your rights form? You understand your rights and the options they give you? Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily today? Sir, did you drive a vehicle on March 21 in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time? I'll accept your plea to the added charge and dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now, sir? Where at? Where at?
Real fast and,
Oh, Mylan. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When are those coming up? Court dates?
is. I know. Probably between.
So sometime in November or sometime in December? Okay. All right. And is that the last court day you've got? Okay. And are you working? When's the last time you had a job? Where were you working then? Group home? Grupo. How long were you with Grupo?
Year.
Okay. Transportation, what's caused you not to work? Okay. Okay. Ouch. Okay. All right. So, best case scenario, you think those court dates are going to result in your license privileges being reinstated? So you'll think you have your license by December? All right. You owe us money on some other files in addition to the one I'm dealing with today. It looks like we've got an older Drovo license suspended from 2019 and a civil infraction probably from the same date. Those show a total of $1,106. Are you in a position to take care of that stuff or at least get a payment plan on it? Okay. He owes money on others other than this?
I don't know what the speak is.
Yeah, see it. Do you owe us any money? You got 3 files with us open or you got more than that?
It should just be the 3, because that's what's coming up under.
Okay.
3,
Okay.
But,
Yeah, I can go, I know I'm really getting started.
and the one is on the payment plan, you're to pay October 22nd.
All right, so you got a payment coming up in a couple of weeks. All right. Anything else before I sentence you? I don't need that back. You just trash it, I guess. All right, so here's what we're gonna do on today's file. The other files, you got your payment plan, keep working that. All right, on today's file, I'm gonna have you schedule 4 days on the court work program. You heard me explain that? All right. On this file, your fines and costs are $565, or you show me a valid license between now and December 1, and I'll waive the money. So literally, I'll pay you $565 to bust your ass, get everything done so you can be driving legally by the 1st of December. Doable? All right. Merry Christmas. All right. Any questions? All right. Go downstairs and set up your work program. Have a good one. Good luck with those other courts. What do we got next, Joe?
There should be filed up to 30.
Najee? Counsel your parents.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mike Ransay on behalf of Mr. Najee, number 54932.
All right, so if I'm reading this right, both the original charges are going to go away. He's going to plead to a added civil infraction, double parking. He's agreed to pay $400.
That is correct, Your Honor. He's able to have any leniency on the costs and fines.
Not when it comes in an agreement.
I'll save my speech. Thank you.
All right, is that the way you want to resolve these, Mr. Najee? All right, I will accept your plea to the double parking. I'm gonna do that on the civil infraction, Heather. Fine to cause $400. Both original charges dismissed. Can you pay the $400 today, sir? Go downstairs and that'll earn you a smile from the cashier. Have a lovely day, gentlemen.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome, counsel. Always a pleasure.
Very good to see you. Thank you.
Bakor? Good morning, counsel.
Morning, Judge. My name is Ali Mahmood. My P number is 73076. A plea agreement for a double parking.
Yep.
An amendment to the original charge.
All right. So the plea agreement says I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor after I take the plea to the added civil infraction. That's the way you want to resolve this, sir? And you've agreed to pay $250 fines or costs
Yes, sir.
today?
These 2 weeks, Judge.
17th?
Yes.
All right, understand if we don't get the money on or before the 17th, then the misdemeanor's back up. You got to deal with that.
Thank you.
Have a good day, gentlemen. Who's the attorney on Mascarino Rodriguez?
Oh,
That is not an attorney, it's just the interpreter, but
So-
they grabbed for another case.
Oh, okay.
I believe it's. the-
You got something ready?
It's for an adjournment.
Okay, she's working on that. Adjournment? Oh, you want, yeah, did you talk to the prosecutor? Come on up.
She actually told me she came back,
She told you what?
she came back in three.
Yeah, she wants me to dismiss the speeding now. That's a pretty good deal. All right. All right, so pronounce your last name. Al Jaheshi, right? All right. Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Podolsky? You understand those rights? You understand the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for this added charge? Are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today? All right, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on August 7, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel, satisfied with the plea? So am I. What should I know about your client before I sentence?
He has a clean criminal record, though. We have to find a straight, his driving, his life perfectly suspended. And I believe it's for too many points. There's no alcohol related offenses. I'd ask for, the court for finding costs on.
Okay. Are you working, sir?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
What business are you in?
We have like a junkyard mechanic kind of,
Okay, where at?
that's pretty sure.
All right, so you're pulling parts, that kind of stuff? Okay, all right. How old are you?
Amazing.
Okay, you got about 2 more years and you can use young and dumb as an excuse for bad driving. After that, any light at the end of the tunnel, counsel? When do you think you might have him valid?
It looks like he's eligible to get his license January.
Okay, not too far off then.
Plus the abstract, no points on the certificate.
Yeah. Yeah, this one shouldn't hurt him.
Got on the speeding ticket.
Right, right.
Result in him being able to get his.
A little earlier. Well, we can keep our fingers crossed. All right, you got that dismissal?
I will.
That's the only place it's gonna be on paper.
Oh, yep.
All right. All right, fines and costs, I'm gonna do $550. I am gonna order 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. Can you pay $550 today or do you need some options?
Actually, Your Honor, that's, total, the outstanding ticket you're talking about, 1,001. And I think you could pay 350 today.
Go downstairs and set up some kind of payment plan. Just get it done. All right. Good luck with your license. That's the interpreter.
I got a lot of work for you. Don't you?
Jeff.
This is Trovius right now. Oh, it's an adjournment. Never mind.
Adjournment. Mr. Sharif, just stay where you're at. We're gonna get you. Oh, you're not Mr. Sharif. You just stick where you're at. We're gonna get you an adjournment. We don't even put that on the record, Mr. Starr. Yeah.
That was my fault. Wait, Burnell, I think if you scratch, I'll pull.
B, Burnell,
Burnell, yeah.
or how about Burrell?
Burrell, yes.
Yeah,
I can be-
That's a plea?
Yeah, so.
Burrell.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's date and time said in this matter, form of reading stand, you We also had a chance to pre-trial this case, all right, have a prosecution, have with Mr. Burrell. We do have an exhibit subject for approval. We had agreement, Mr. Burrell, would be guilty to an added count.
Yep.
Reading all this, with the understanding, the agreement with the charge was dismissed.
All right, Mr. Burrell, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch? You understood all those rights and the options they give you? Did you discuss the possible penalty for this added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? Did you drive a vehicle July 29, 23? And was that in Van Buren Township after you consumed alcohol? Was there a breath test or data master? What do we have?
Okay, blood test.
All right. Anybody tell me what it was?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead. All right. All right, I will accept the plea and dismiss both of the original charges.
Your Honor, the reason for this generous plea on that breath was all, this was a 23 case since then, he's been rehab as enough.
Where at? Where are you rehabbing? Oh, good program. Good program. So how many days you got? Really? Really? Good for you. Good for you. That's great. All right. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna send him downstairs to probation. Has he been arraigned?
Wait for reading.
Well, it looks like he's been arraigned. Let's see anything about a bond. Okay, yeah, he's posted a cash bond. All right, so I'm gonna send you downstairs. You're gonna meet with the probation people at the counter, and you're gonna schedule to come back for a probation interview. Then you'll come back for a sentencing date. They'll tell you when that is too. And then you'll get a chance to look at the report probation prepares. You'll be able to go over it with Mr. Bowditch. I'll look at it, and then we'll have another conversation before I decide what your sentence is. Understood? Questions? All right, bond is continued. Have a great day. I don't know what we're gonna do all this. Hang on to them, see if anybody wants them, I guess. Pizarro. Just like it sounds. Pizarro. 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 Okay, well, who's this lady? What's your name? Pizarro. Yeah, okay, go ahead.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowditch appearing on behalf of this, Pizarro. That was just to tell her her name for the record. This young lady, did you give the judge your name?
Roosevelt Brown.
Your Honor, this young lady, we haven't executed. This young lady is going to act as the interpreter with the court's permission.
Not for a plea. She's not a certified interpreter. I think we've got one. What's the language? We got him here. I mean, for an arraignment, sure, I'll use a family member, but for a plea, I have to use a certified interpreter. But we've got him. We've got him. So it shouldn't be much of a delay. Just let your mom know what's going on.
Judge, I can give the interpreter for
Well, is
the.
this?
Let Mr. Bowditch deal with that. I don't want to take up my courtroom time for that.
That is a charge. Your assistant. Your Honor, we can go.
All right, sir, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm do you swear or affirm to accurately translate between English and Spanish, Spanish and English so we can discuss this file today? Let her know what we talked about.
Your name?
My name, my name for the record, Eric Heisey. I'm the judge.
All right, Mr. Heisley, let Ms. Pizarro know what we just discussed.
Sorry.
You're okay, you actually, pretty much.
Ma'am, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yeah.
Was it daughter?
Sister.
Sister. Did your sister help translate so you understood what you were discussing?
Yeah.
Jane,
Right. Did you also discuss the possible penalty for the charge? Did you understand that? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? On August 12, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yeah.
Was your license valid?
No, Your Honor. She actually did allow it unless.
She actually did that. Huh. Did you let somebody drive your car? Did they have a license? Satisfied? What should I know about Ms. Pizarro before I sentence?
She was with her, Sandy. We're going to adjourn his case, who's just not a process now, getting place. They both, I think, but
Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
no.
Fines and costs, $300. Can you pay that today?
Yeah.
Mr. Heisey, if you could help her through that cashier process, that would be nice. Eduardo Quinones, Quinones. Mr. Heisey, just let the gentleman know that we're gonna get a piece of paper for a new date. Jeffrey Green. All right, what is this file up here? There's no plea agreement with it?
Let me see. Okay.
Williford? Where are these files?
Yes.
Mr. Williford, are you going forward today without an attorney? Mr. Williford?
Yes.
Are you going forward today
Yes,
without
can you hear
an
me?
attorney?
Yes.
You've talked to the prosecutor, correct?
Yes.
And you've decided you're going to plead guilty to the charge from June 23, 25?
Yes.
You understand your rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
On that date, did you try to take some merchandise from a store without paying for it at the airport?
Yes.
What was the merchandise?
A pair of headphones.
I will accept your plea. Are you working?
No.
When's the last time you worked?
Beginning of this year.
So it's been 10 months?
Yes, due to the current layoffs with the government.
Okay, so who were you working with?
Workforce development program in Philadelphia as a program manager.
How long had you been with the company?
5 years.
All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, Your Honor.
Fines and costs on the file, $550. Can you pay that online today?
No.
When?
I believe within 2 weeks I should be able to, or a payment plan would suffice.
I want a due date. So tell me when you can pay $550.
Hold on, can I open my calendar? Let's see. I want to say the first of the month of November, the 1st of November.
First Friday is the 7th. That's plenty of time.
Yes.
You won't get more. Good luck.
Thank you.
He's in here. The attorney's here.
Green? Good morning.
Deanna Philippi, 82378 on behalf of Mr. Green. Take it to the board.
Good morning. All right, I understand that Mr. Green is going to plead guilty to the charge from October 29, 24.
Due to lack of memory.
Okay, all right. So, Mr. Green, you understand your rights and options after talking to counsel? And you understand the possible penalty, yes?
Yeah.
No, yeah? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you understand that when you say no contest, you're literally saying to me, Judge, I'm not fighting the charge against me. That means if I can find the facts that support the plea, you'll be sentenced. Do you understand all that?
I pick up a lot of scratches, sir. So
Okay. Did you understand what I said? Okay. Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? Counsel, I'll be ready when you are. Step back. Michael
Yeah.
Matos Marina.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between Spanish and English, English and Spanish so we can discuss this file today?
I do.
All right, let him know what we talked about. Sir, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
Looks like you met with the prosecutor and you've agreed to plead responsible to a third charge of double parking. Is that correct? Looks like you've also agreed to pay $230 fines and costs on that file. Is that also correct? Can you pay that today? All right, I will accept your plea to the third charge, the added charge. I will dismiss both of the original charges that were issued to you. I'll send you fellas downstairs to deal with the cashier.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Counsel, we think we're ready now?
Yes, Judge, Mr. Green just wants to set a matter for trial.
Okay. Mr. Green, you understand that you have the right to a bench trial or a jury trial? You understand the difference? All right, what do you want? Okay, yep.
Can you make sure it's a good day for you? But yeah, okay.
For House Counsel too.
No, you're fine.
Okay, all right.
Mia Dixon.
Madam Judge, can you tell him he has fingerprint order?
That's not, doesn't apply now, because, yeah.
Who is this in there?
Dixon, first name Mia. Good morning. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, you've agreed to plead responsible to a civil infraction, double parking, correct? You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400, also correct? And the prosecutor wants me to dismiss both of the original charges that were issued to you on July 29. That's the way you want to resolve this today? All right. Let's do it on the B file, Heather. And Miss Dixon, can you pay that $400 today? Go downstairs and talk about your options with them. If the money doesn't get paid, then these misdemeanors are back up on your, to need to be dealt with. Understood? Any questions? All right, you're all set. Go downstairs.
Judge, I got Mr. Coach, we're ready.
What's the name?
Coach, Ali Hussein, Coach, Your Honor.
Files over there. It's adjournment.
Oh, just an adjournment? Just an adjournment, counsel. I don't put those on the record.
Three, by Mala.
Adjournments?
Please. Civil action.
Are those his?
I got our cool is what.
Yeah, no problem. All right, we're pulling files.
I got one.
Where's the dockets?
I can scratch
Is it, where are you scratching at?
it here.
Let me have it.
Oh, shoot, I didn't see it.
ARK, what's the spelling?
Wait, oh, I already scratched that one.
Okay, what's next?
In the poll.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Scratch out poll.
For Mr.
There's a few.
All right, counsel, on Akub? Akub? Counsel, your appearance.
I'm not, Your Honor.
Oh, you're not. Oh, I'm sorry. Sir, you're going forward today without an attorney? Are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yeah.
I understand. ARKOUB. I understand you're pleading responsible to an added charge of double parking, correct?
Yes.
And you've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400, yes? Can you pay that today? I will dismiss the misdemeanor charge that was issued to you on August 26, 25. Go on downstairs. The cashier will smile when she takes your money. You're welcome. Mala,
Yes, Your Honor.
your appearance, counsel.
What do you stand on out of the Jesus? What do you have? Smile. Do you thought about your phone?
Smile.
Good morning.
Brave God, wait for Maurice that you, there's an offering to, submitted from the prosecutor, we would like to, help with that.
All right. I understand you're going to plead responsible to an added charge of double parking. You've agreed to pay $400 fines and costs, correct? Can you do it today? Awesome. I will dismiss, I have dismissed the Drovall license or the registration or plate violation misdemeanor that was issued to you. I'll send you downstairs to get a smile from the cashier.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anthony Sheen. Counsel, you had a good schedule today. Yeah.
We want you to chat on how.
Good morning.
This is for the
Thank you.
Your Honor, for purpose of rent, wait for Maurice and you.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Sheen, you're going to plead responsible to an added double parking. And you've agreed to pay $400 fines and costs, correct? Can you do it today? Wonderful. You go downstairs. I think she still has more smiles for you. You're welcome. Misdemeanor dismissed. And another Shaheen.
Good morning. You should have done. Please stop for you.
Good morning, Mark.
Wait for Maurice and you.
Thank you. Sir, you've agreed to pay $400 fines and costs and plead responsible to double parking. Can you pay that today? Wonderful. Go on downstairs. Misdemeanor is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a nice day, gentlemen.
Well.
I didn't even look. I'm assuming it was probably this system.
Okay,
Okay,
that makes a lot of sense.
Hey, Joe. This one's still waiting to get from the time? Is that what we were waiting for now? Are all of you waiting for your attorney
Or adjournments.
or adjournments? All right, nobody's talking to me. You, what do you want?
Here with no, this.
We're ready to have our plea.
What's the name? Plea forms go to him, not her. Crossroads.
It's going to be the attorney's.
Counsel, your appearance for Riggs.
Good morning, Judge. John Grassi, AP number 43387, appearing on Mr. Riggs. Please state your name. Kevin Riggs.
Good morning.
We have to discuss this matter with the prosecutor and the result we're entering into a guilty plea for 2 charges of retail fraud and then 1 constitutional.
Do you care which one gets dismissed?
I do not care.
All right. So Heather, We'll dismiss 0659. All right, Mr. Riggs, did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes.
You understand those rights and the options they present?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of retail fraud?
Yes.
All right, understanding this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to 2 charges of retail fraud today?
Yes.
All right, let's start with the file I've got open. July 18, 2025, were you in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Looks like you were at Myers?
That's correct.
All right, and did you try to take some merchandise out of the store that day without paying for it?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yeah.
All right, what was the merchandise?
So a couple of electronics and some clothing.
All right, and then we've got another file from July 10, 2025. On that day, at that day, were you at Myers?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you try to take some merchandise out of the store without paying for it?
Yes.
And what was the merchandise that day?
Um,
All right, I'll accept your plea on both files. I'll dismiss the third file. All right, are you working?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where?
There's a factory called Risha in Saline, Michigan.
How long you been at Freesia?
13 and a half years.
All right. So drugs, alcohol, gambling, what are you retail frauding for?
Well, little bit of alcohol problem, and I was homeless for a little while, and I was just going through
So why electronics? You're stealing food, that makes sense to me.
just trying to get money for it.
He broke up with his girlfriend and didn't have much of a support mechanism. He's essentially estranged from his family in Milan, Michigan. And, he's a very intelligent gentleman, and talking with him, he's got tremendous, he's got a tremendous future once it applies himself. I told him to go to trade school, this background, Risha's a little bit company, it's unionized.
Yeah. Where you living now?
I'm living in Holiday West Trailer Park. Is that you?
Who you living with?
My current girlfriend?
Okay. Whose trailer?
Is her good?
Uh-huh. That's how you got here to start with. That's why you got homeless to begin with. You pissed your landlord off and she kicked you out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are they paying you at Felicia?
$21 an hour.
All right.
He could go into the skilled trades judge, he's got programs he can take advantage of and give them some guidance. He should take advantage.
How old are you?
34.
I bet you're not where you hoped you'd be when you were 20.
Absolutely not.
Anything else I should consider?
Judge, again, just consider the fact that he's gainfully employed, he had a big hiccup, but I'm asking that you keep him out of jail, maybe have a minor amount of probation or those two us can straight drive.
Got a good driver's license? I mean,
Yeah, yes.
what days are you working for Isha?
Typically Monday through Friday, and then we have to work a Saturday.
we'll go under and set it.
Do you get time off?
I do, but.
Well, here's where I'm at. My initial my initial thought when you walked up here is you're probably going to do some jail time. Then I was listening to your story. I'm thinking, all right, I'm not going to do jail time, but I was going to do work program. So work program means you schedule the days, but you got to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning to do the work. Can you do that? I don't want you to lose your job, obviously.
Could I do it on like Saturday or Sunday or?
Problem with that is I'm going to order 8 days on the work program. There's only 2 Saturdays a week or 2 Saturdays a month that we do it. Do you not get days off during the week?
No.
All right, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to give you some grace today, but it comes with a cost. Because I'm not playing no shit with you if you screw this up. Because I'm going to put you on probation. If you continue to do stupid stuff like this, then I'm going to jail you. And these are 93-day files. All right. So on the one file, I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation, 4 days on the work program. I'm not going to charge you any money. All right. On the other file, I'm putting the restitution on that file, and I'm also going to charge you the minimum 145 on top of the restitution and 4 days on the work program, and you're still on probation. So for 12 months, if you can stay out of trouble, and I'm going to make a note in the file that I'm going to let you have Saturdays. So we're going to wait a long time for you to get done with the work program. But if you screw up by getting new charges, dude, bring your toothbrush when you come see me because you're going to jail. All right. Now, I want you to hear my heart. If you're not sure you can do what you need to do to stay out of jail without help, then buddy, you get up here and ask for some help. We got programs we can refer you to.
Yes, you are.
But if the next time you're standing there, you screwed up and I'm getting ready to put you in jail, I don't want to hear you want help then. Because I'm going to put you in jail. I'll tell you, when you're done with jail, come back and we'll help you. But you're going to jail at that point. So if you need help staying straight on this stuff, then come to us before you've screwed up. You listening?
Yes.
Are you hearing? You're welcome. So I made a note, Saturday work programs are all right.
Thank you.
All right. But you owe us money on some old files. You owe us $486. Are you on a payment plan on that? Get on a payment plan before you leave. I don't care if you start payments this week or you start in November, but get a payment plan on paper.
Chuck, what was that result?
There's a 486 on an older file, 2 civil infractions, impeding traffic and double parking from 2023. Listen, man. And this is gonna sound a lot more harsh than I want it to sound, but it's gonna come out harsh. Dude, you're 34 freaking years old. It's time to put this stupid shit behind you. All right? And I know we only know what we know. But if you're as smart as he thinks you are, then you're smart enough to know where you're lacking in skill set. Come get some help on that.
Fingerprint order,
Yes.
when can you?
Was that Van Buren, right? Can you go to the Van Buren PD today to get your prints taken? Between now and 3 p.m.?
Yes.
You know where that's at on Tyler Road? Okay, all right. So that's the order. All right. Good luck. And seriously, man, I would love it if you showed up here in the next couple of months and said, you know, I need help with this, 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 and this. Because one thing I really love to do is tell people how to live. I'd be,
You're at the probation meeting.
he needs to go down and get his payment plan set up, schedule his work days. And seriously, dude, if you find some stuff in your life that you need some help with, come back and see us. All right? It's time for this stuff to stop.
He needs to wait just a second for him to get the fingerprint.
Fingerprint order.
And then we'll send you out.
All right, Mr. Heisey, come on up with Alexandra. Do you swear or affirm that you will translate accurately between English and Spanish, Spanish and English, so we can discuss these files?
Yeah.
Let her know. Did you read your rights form today? Did you understand your rights and the options they give you?
Yeah.
Are you going forward today without an attorney? My paperwork says that you have agreed to plead responsible to a third charge of double parking. That correct? Also says here that you've agreed to pay $330 fines and costs on that file. Is that correct? Can you pay that today? I'm going to send you down with Mr. Heisey to go to the cashier, take care of that $330. Both of the original charges that were issued to you on September 2nd are dismissed. Questions? Have a good day. Man, that was a generous deal. This one, 16 to 25, and he let her do a double parking. I mean, that's what I was driving. I mean, it got quickly approaching what was driving me with. Oh, that Angela, just getting so soft in her old age.
Do that.
I just want to see if she's listening. There's a Jessica Davis trying to get in.
She's 145 for.
Oh my gosh.
And I
Yeah.
chatted her, but she.
I'm gonna do, we got one out of it.
You want me to bring her in and tell her? Oh, now she's not there.
She better. Yep. Yep. Make sure you're sending out the email, let them know. Okay.
You're on that, Rich.
Sure.
One's in, yeah, there's.
Mr. Streeter, just wait for some paperwork. We'll get you a new notice.
I have to put something on the record for Mr. Streeter, Charles Streeter. His attorney of record was Josh Ellie. Josh called the discovery in this matter. Mr. Streeter missed a Zoom hearing. As soon as he did, he came, turned himself in, got a new court date. But Josh wasn't listed as the attorney yet, but as opposed to starting from the beginning with me, Mr. Streeter and I talked about it. And we're just gonna put it on the record 6 with Mr. Hatton.
Makes sense.
Thank you.
All right, I am ready on Hall.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeff Bowden, speaking on behalf of and with Ms. Hall of that. Would you tell the judge the name of the record, please? Arnold Hall.
Thank you.
I guarantee they, that's it for the remedy of smack. Also. You have executed a plea agreement subject to. In that agreement, this all would be pleading guilty to the advocate allowing an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle. Also with the two civil actions. Notice the insurance would be dismissed, the registration plate filer would turn into a double parking with agreed upon fine of $250. This all license back.
Oh, great. Thank you. All right, Ms. Hall, did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bowditch? Did you understand those rights and the options those rights give you today? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Let's see, 9/7/25, were you at the airport? And at that time, were you driving? Were you driving without a valid license? Are you satisfied? I'll accept your plea to that charge. I'm going to dismiss all three of the original charges. I'm not going to create a double parking file because that's just extra work for Heather. I'm just going to charge you a little bit more money on the misdemeanor file than I normally would. Understood? So from your standpoint, it's just the same thing, but it's less work for her. So license is reinstated. Are you working? Where do you work? What do you do down there? How long you been down there? Good for you.
You know, explaining all this, sort of just smiling and nodding. You knew exactly what I
Yeah.
was.
Yeah, well, after 10 years in the building, I would expect. Anything else you want me to know, ma'am?
This court speech. Here.
All right, so total fines and costs on the file, $750. Can you pay it today or do you need options? Go downstairs and get those. Have a nice day. Counsel, what do you got?
Mr. Warren.
Thank you. Let me pull the file. Warren? Adjournment. Mr. Warren. Just stay where you're at. Stay where you're at. We're gonna get a piece of paper for a new court date from you or for you.
Yep, okay.
Mr. Streeter,
Yeah.
do you want to come up here? So you don't have to wait. That's your house. That's for your next date. All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Enjoy your day. Yes.
Mr. Riggs, you sent down for work program on Saturdays?
Yeah.
4 days. So we only,
You're fine.
okay, well, we only have 4 left for the year and 2 of them are already,
Oh, come on. I thought they gave us an extra Saturday.
they did, but they gave us 2, but however, because November and December have holidays, they only gave us 1. So we have October 11th and October 25th, and there's 11 people each. I can throw him on there. There's usually one that doesn't show up.
But don't be, he's on probation for 12 months and
I don't mind spreading them out.
The thing is the work program stops in December and they're not doing it for January, February, March.
What the hell? When were they gonna tell me that?
They sent a memo like a month ago.
Okay, that's unacceptable.
yeah.
That's totally unacceptable.
I know, me and Avery already talked about it. That's awful for the people that
For your
meet them in those 3 months, you know. I don't know if they don't want to do it because it's cold or what. They really didn't give enough information.
Which one is he?
So. For now, do you just want me to set him his 4? And then we'll go from there. Make a note on it.
Yeah.
I'm thinking 1 or 2 if we don't show up, so I'll just throw on the list too.
Yeah, yours is eight.
So, What are they not doing? 1 month?
They stopped in December and then started after. But if we just think, no reason for it.
I bet it's government shutdown.
In those 3 months. Well, he can go later on, I can change his address and then we can get him a number for a Zoom date. Okay, but otherwise.
They don't understand. That's what bothers me so much about City Hall. They keep talking about what partner they partner. They don't have the simplest concept of what we do over here. Do they think we can start this stream of people to that work program and just stop it for 3 months and then get back on? She just told me that they sent a memo that said they're not gonna do work program in December, January, February. Well, what are we gonna do with all those people we've been ordering to do work program? And for that 3 months, I'm not gonna sentence anybody to work program and you want me to get back on. It's like, what the hell? Because Junior doesn't want to work outside or what? Then put him inside washing fire trucks. I mean, that's just ridiculous.
I got a true here. I got one going without controversy.
Ready?
Marsecki? How do you say it? How do you say it? Warsecki, come on up. You're going forward today without an attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, you met with the prosecutor? Let me see what I got here. You got a case pending right now in Oakland?
Probation.
What's the charge?
Arson in the case of a misdemeanor.
Okay. All right. How long have you been on probation?
Only about a week.
Oh, so it's brand new probation. Okay. All right. So today's file, I've been told that you're going to plead guilty to the charge of trespass from 9/2/25. Is that correct?
Yes.
You understand your rights? You read your rights form?
Yes.
All right. And you understand the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
All right. On that date of September 2nd, were you someplace at the airport where you were not supposed to be, where you weren't authorized to be at?
Yes.
I'll accept your guilty plea. Are you working, Mr. Worsecki?
Self-employed.
What do you do?
I own a lingerie company.
Like retail sales, online sales? Yeah. All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Yes.
Go ahead.
My business at the airport was, I got a job modeling for the modeling agency XES. And I was currently working out a flight to Vegas and I made the wrong decision to show up to the airport a little too early. But, there was something in the works, but that was why I was there. The things that happened that day, I'm sorry about that.
All right. Anything else? All right. All right, so it's 52-3 is the court that you're on probation with, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put you on a 12-month probation here. It's non-reporting. To successfully complete the 12 months, stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges, and don't violate probation in that court. So if you violate there, you violate here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. And this is a 93-day misdemeanor. Violations of probation can quite often result in jail. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions? All right. Good luck in Oakley County. Nicole Bibage? How do you say it? I wasn't too far off. Say it again.
It's two names, Nicole B. By.
Oh, we got it as all one big name. All right.
Yeah.
Good morning. So are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right. I've got a piece of paper here that says you made a deal with the prosecutor. You've agreed to plead responsible to an added charge of double parking, and you've agreed to pay fines of cost of $400. In exchange, the misdemeanor would be dismissed. Is that the agreement you've made?
Correct, Your Honor.
That's the way you want to resolve it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Can you pay the $400 today, sir?
Yes, sir.
If you'll go downstairs, the cashier will be happy to take your money and she'll probably give you a smile. Your original charge is dismissed. Any questions?
Want me to get a quote with a smile?
Probably not. Probably not. But there is a pop machine down there.
It doesn't have Coke in it, Judge.
No?
I see you guys.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Adjournment?
Wait, Jim.
What are you doing?
Chairman, what's your last name, sir? Warren. I can't hear you, bud. Warren. Warren, okay.
Oh, what was the first name?
Which church?
I need your license to show that you live in Texas. I show that you live in Ipsy, verified your address downstairs is Ipsy, so I need a Texas license in order to give you approval for Zoom.
I've already approved for Zoom.
With another judge, Judge Oakley only does in person unless you live out of state. Okay, well then, as of right now, it'll stay in person. As of right now, it stays in person till we have proof that you live out of state.
Now, we need this defense attorney lady back. The one that's helped forward. Man, there ain't nobody out there. It's 10:05. Everybody's gone. That lady's not playing. Yeah. Look. She cleared this list out.
Hey, you got a whole team, you have to maybe.
Yeah.
So you and nothing from that time.
I got it, Joe.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Williams, you are getting an adjournment, right? All right, just have a seat back there. We're gonna do some paperwork and we'll get you out of here as soon as we can get the paperwork for you.
Bring this one right up. No attorney.
Sure.
Third, right up here.
Good morning, Mr. Fritz. Wonderful. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let me get your paperwork straightened out. Get some business done. Did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
You understand those rights and the options they give you?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge of no valid operator's license on person? All right. You understand that when that hits your record, the Secretary of State could resuspend you. All right. And understanding your rights, understanding the options, understanding the possible penalty. Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge today?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle on August 2nd, 2025 in Van Buren Township? At that time, was your license in fact suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. Mr. Fritz, what's the status of your license now?
I think it's supposed to. I didn't follow through with the payment plan, so I missed the payment because I was short on money, so they resuspended my license and I was unaware.
Some other court?
Yeah.
All
Oakley.
right, do you know when you're eligible to get your license straight?
I just have to make the payments, I think. I
Okay.
pay a certain amount of money, finish
Okay.
the
All right.
plan that they.
Yep. Yep.
And then I'll be good to get my license.
Okay, are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work?
For other companies.
How long you been at Ford's? Okay, all right. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you?
Son, see him every other weekend.
Good. Good.
Just with my grandparents, I think they're just kind of falling apart a little bit, but I'm sold to their vanity.
All right. So best case scenario, when do you think you'll be driving legally? Calendar over there.
It's month. So I've been trying to Uber and do things like that, so
Can you do it before Thanksgiving?
should be able to do that. It should.
If I give you a really good incentive?
I'm gonna write it the week out to get it paid off this week, because things have just been tight with my grandparents. They have a cottage, property tax, things. I'm on some mortgages for her. So
Holy shit.
yeah, it's great. She built a new house, shit has started falling apart. And my grandparents are kind of. Things just started a little bit, but yeah.
All right, here's what I'm gonna do. On these files, I order 4 days on the court work program. Work program is an alternative to jail. You schedule the days, you pick them, then you gotta be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Do 4 days with no problem there. Fines it costs $550, or show me a valid operator's license between now and November 27th. I'm literally going to pay you $550 to get all your other stuff straight so you can show me a license. Merry Christmas. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Let's see if we can, hey, Angela.
Jeff, was any over out there?
No, I'll check.
Yeah, this is gonna hit your record today, and then however long you were suspended, they'll probably double it. You know, if you were suspended for 6 months, they're probably gonna add a 6 month.
Right.
So let me see if Miss Manarino would consider a deal that would not have that impact.
Yes, Judge.
Would you consider an auto for Mr. Fritz? He did a DWLS down to a no ops. He thinks he could have his license back within 2 months, except what the no ops might do to him, which is, are you okay with that? Thank you, Miss Manarino. All right, so nothing happening here today should impact your ability to get your license at all. All right, so you got the deal, figured it out, go downstairs, schedule your work program.
The B case, would we suspend on speeding tickets?
I don't have any paperwork on those.
Yeah.
Hold on, she's finding something on the computer, I don't have any.
But I don't know if they suspend,
Did you do something with the speeding ticket you got this day?
he owes $180 on it. It's a 1 to 5 over. Do we not suspend anymore?
I don't know. I think the only thing we suspend on is,
But
the proof of insurance.
But I think it'll hit his record. It's already defaulted on his record, so that.
Why do I not have the paperwork on it? Let me know what's coming out. Angela, you back in your office yet?
I am, Judge.
While you're being nice, you want to get rid of a speeding ticket 1 to 5 over too?
Yeah, that's fine.
Great.
Yeah, there's.
Dude, don't let me down. I just gave you all kinds of grace today. Get your license straight.
You're the type of get it.
All right.
Probably today for being the best.
Get it straight. Get it straight. All right. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Kimberly Jones is trying to get in.
I already told her that,
She had this afternoon too?
no, she has this morning, she has 3 charges.
Supposed to be here live?
Supposed to be here live. She lives in Detroit. She couldn't get a ride today, so she was wondering if she can appear by Zoom. I said I would check with you or we would reschedule.
Who's she with? What prosecutor?
Wayne County.
You guys got bodies out there to talk to?
No,
One of you guys want to jump on Zoom and talk to this lady?
Yeah, also, thanks, Chuck. Thank you so much.
I'm trying to find what we got on her.
Yeah, I got anything before you leave,
All right, thank you.
Hey, Jeff. It's a no insurance, registration of plate, civil infraction, defraud innkeeper, and DWLS. Let me confirm. Yeah, all airport. 2 different incident dates, but all airport. What's the name?
2 times.
Seriously. Could you say it without the pen in your mouth?
D-A-N-G. Is a, but I'm not gonna try to pronounce it.
Jones.
You don't.
Tang, T-A?
T-A-N-G.
I thought you said Cruikshank. All right. We ready on Tang? Are you going forward, sir, without an attorney today? Are you going to do this without an attorney? All right. And did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
Did you understand those rights and the options they give you? All right. Paperwork says, yeah, I scratched. Paperwork says you're going to plead responsible to double parking and you've agreed to pay $250. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea on that one. I'll dismiss the misdemeanor that was charged on September 10th. Can you pay the $250 today? Any questions? Have a lovely day. Go downstairs and see the cashier.
I'm saying.
What do you got?
I am Stephen Morales Judge. I've attempted to make contact several times and
Spell it, C or K.
it's K-O-N.
What time was he scheduled?
Scheduled at 9:00.
Yeah, so he'll go on the bench warrant pile.
Okay, Judge, do you want me to put it on the record or you just?
He's not here.
Okay.
I mean, unless you know he's in the hospital or something like that, we wouldn't know.
Nothing.
Right.
He attempted, we made contact about a week and a half ago. I presume you could hear it.
All right.
Sense. Time for me to go then, Bravo.
He's only scheduled on the ones that he has.
Yes.
He's not our house counsel.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Guys, have a great day.
You too.
Great weekend and go Tigers, go Lions, and
That's
Wolverines and Spartans.
How about, let's skip the Wolverines, that was down there.
I'm sorry about that. They're really, they definitely won't win the big show. They're down, but. Oh, they gotta get one out. See what happens.
My son goes to States, man.
Oh, my sister, the grades are like, I know these guys, you know what, I'm a working class stiff, I would give a dear word. It's black and gold education. You would want to go to ours, there would be. Yeah, I want. I'm not with you, 100%. You know, well, the other cooperates, you know, it went from 80 something, 80 years. They come to the house. That's what our first hour, you know, we won't do it for a while. All the family. I don't even tell that. Yeah, I about that. I grew up in a household full of.
Getting Anderson's right now.
You're next.
Sorry.
We appreciate you. She said it's twice though. She was bringing them in, five, Jamie. That's me.
I'm gonna shut down.